Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Rosalind Bituon from Philippines. I'm 39 years old. I'm married and I have 2 kids, ages 16 years old and 10 years old. My work experience is in Saudi Arabia, which I served in 2 years with 9 members of the family with Madam and Sir. They have 7 children, ages 19 years old, 15 years old, 13 years old, 10, 5, 2 years old, and 2 months old. I manage all house chores, especially cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, and caring the babies. Sir and Madam, if you hire me, you can expect me. I'm hardworking, I'm patient, I'm loyal, and I will promise I will follow all your house rules. Thank you and good day, Madam and Sir.